Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Back with another one. Let's get this money, people. Why? PaidViewPoint is my #1 favorite site. Alright, people, I know y'all like, oh no, what about PrizePicks? But no, PaidViewPoint is my #1 favorite site. Never get disqualified surveys, and I got a whopping 3 surveys waiting. Alright, this is why I show you guys proofs, facts, results. All right, what's about to happen here? I'm about to cash out. That's 1. 2, I'm about to bang out these 3 surveys. All right. 3, this is free money. Look, you see I got Amazon right here. All right, people, I got to buy something. Look, free Amazon money. Okay, $28.71 free Amazon money. Now, what I love about this never get disqualified surveys, we're going to bang out 3 surveys right now. If the survey gets intense where it says we can't record, I'll just pause it and then, I'll do it and come back. All right, but as far as right now, you have 3 surveys waiting right now. This is why you have to get your score at 10,000. If it's your first time watching this video, welcome to the channel. Subscribe, thumbs up. You have to get the 10,000 trade score. It's going to be so slow to get there. It's going to take a long time to get there. All right, it's going to take faster if you do 2 things. All right, if you do 2 things, it's going to be faster. All right, if you respond with good accuracy. All right, what do I mean by that? If they ask you an open-ended question, sometimes they ask you an open-ended question where you got to type in a sentence. If you just type in like 2 words every time, it's like, all right. I'm not trying to say type in a paragraph, but type in something. Type in a real answer. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying. Type in a real answer. When you engage, they send you more. All right? The reason why it takes so long to get to 10,000 because they want to see if you're serious. They want to see if you're serious about, giving us real input. If you use this for more than 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, they're gonna be like, all right, this person's serious. Let's start sending this person some real surveys. All right, 3 surveys waiting. Let's dive into it. All right, $28.71. I would cash out now, but you know how it works with PaidViewPoint. Like I said, it's the first time watching this video. With PaidViewPoint, you cash out $15. All right, you cash out $15. Now I'm just gonna fly and do these surveys. All right, while I'm talking to you. All right, you cash out at $15. Every time you get 15, you can cash out, or you can leave it. Now, when you do cash out, you get everything. So right now, if I was to cash out, I get $28.71. And I wouldn't get whatever I'm going to get for these 3 surveys. Now, these 3 surveys, I get a minimum of 10 cents. So this should be a minimum of 30-cent survey right here. So this should boost me up to $29.01. All right, let's see what happens here. All right, past 12 months, following retailers have you shopped in the past for footwear for yourself, someone else? All right. They're going to let me pick 1 spot, right? So they don't got Foot Locker or nothing. Let's put Kohl's. See, this is what I'm talking about right here. All right, let me explain to you how to do surveys. All right, this is gonna be a how to do surveys 2 video. All right, but listen to this. When they ask you this type of question, you don't know what survey provide. Like, one of these companies are probably trying to put, or one of these companies are probably doing this survey. Like, they're probably promoting the survey, right? So if I pick the wrong one, then the survey might be over. All right, so that's why you can't be discouraged when you don't. You know what I'm saying? I don't qualify for surveys. You have to be, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just, I had 10 choices. What you gonna do? All right, you just gotta pick one. Which of the following payment methods you typically use? Debit card, electronic, PayPal, all day, cash, of course. All right. Which of the following TV networks do you watch at least once a week? All right. Now, like I said, people, I'm flying through this. All right. Was your vehicle made after 2000? Which of the following have you researched or purchased in the past 6 months? Toothbrush, the waste basket, blanket, bed in a bag, comfort set. I'll put that. I'll put electric blanket and decorative pillow. I should have put a sheet. Are you currently providing full-time care for a family member with healthcare? No. See, now they probably wanted me to say yes right there. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? What country do you live in? Please think of the primary residence. What? Which of the following, if any, have drank in the past 30 days? I drank all of this. Hopefully this is a drink survey. Are you a school teacher? No. What amount did you pay for in your main vehicle? What amount did you pay for the main vehicle? 20. What type of manager are you? It's not here. All right, for this people, like for example, for I guess what type of manager you are, I got a manager position, right? But this is my job like 2 jobs ago, right? So it's not like I'm gonna go into the profile and change that. I'll just leave it and still answer the same way because everything's working smooth. You know what I'm saying? Which of the following conditions do you control with diet or medication? Now, when I say that, I mean let's just put these 2. Now, when I say that, I messed up. I shouldn't have put that. All right, that was my fault, people. Usually I don't put that. Usually I put nothing for that one. That's my bad. Some of these servers, they don't want you to be on medication or anything like that. I put the wrong answer right there. But like I said, you see how the survey never get disqualified. Still got 10 cents. All right, so let me see if I can open this one up. All right, your male live in New Jersey. Yes. Past so much we found retailers and shops. All right, this might be the same. This might be the same survey. Was your current primary vehicle acquired, new or used? Used. See, this might be a new use survey. You see what I'm saying? A new car survey. So you don't know. You just have to, you know what I mean? Which of the follow, as long as you don't put nothing crazy. What is your preferred brand of wet razor? Wet razor. I don't use wet razor, but I'll put Dollar Shave Club and Chic. Which of these recreational vehicles do you currently own? TV. Where/how do you access the internet? Home, mobile, workplace, blah, 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 blah. Which of the following do you own? What? Boat, mobile device, duh. Home, vehicle, duh. Properly, duh. And which industries or professions do you and any of the member immediate household work? I think for this one, you don't want to put nothing. You want to put none of these. They don't want you to be in automotive, telemarketing, sales, marketing, retail, education, transportation. They want you to put none. Watch this. Bang. I think I opened it up. Usually after you get to 10 questions, because usually like a cent, one penny a question. So usually when you get to 10, if you get over that, you usually opened it up. When it comes to making decisions about purchasing or leasing a vehicle in your household, would you say that you are the primary decision maker? Let's go. I think I opened this one up. Who's that? Not right now. Who is that? Who's this? When do you intend to purchase and lease your next vehicle? Soon, ASAP, within the next 12 months. This might be a car. For your next vehicle, will you be purchasing lease, new? Oh, man, I think I'll only pick one. I don't know. Why would they want me to do a used car survey, right? Gotta be. Which types of newspapers or magazines do you subscribe to? Nothing car. Travel. Who is this? Have you coped the Hellenian code of several following conditions? Nope. Which of the following brands healthcare products do you typically use? Pepto-Bismol if the stomach is stomach not feeling too good. I don't even know what anything else is. Who is this? What's going on? Oh man. Okay, it's about a car survey. All right, now we'd like to ask you about your primary vehicle, the one you drive most often. What is the make and model of your primary vehicle? Please select from the drop-down menu. Oh yeah, Throwback Classic. Where we at? Come on. Older. I ain't got no new car. How do you acquire your BMW 5 Series? Used. Where is your home located? We like you to think about the option of purchasing or leasing a new vehicle entirely online instead of at a dealership. By entirely online, we mean selecting your vehicle, having your trade-in appraised, finalizing price/payment, and vehicle financing would be all conducted online, not at a dealership. The vehicle would be delivered to your home. I think I opened it up. How familiar are you with the option to purchase / lease a new car? Very familiar. Oh no. What happened? Oh, thinking about the different aspects of buying / leasing a vehicle, ideally, where would you prefer each steps to take place? No. Online, duh. Everything online. Everything. I don't want to see nobody. Just put the car in front of the house. That'd be dope. Put the car in front of the house. Let me drive it. For the first week and 2 weeks, I'm gonna tear it up, right? If I love it, then I'll keep it. If I don't like it, I'm gonna give you a call back. You gotta take it back. Give my money back. That's it. That's how you got. That's how it should work nowadays. Shouldn't have to go to dealership for 7 hours. If you had to purchase / lease a vehicle today, how likely would you be to complete all the steps of purchasing / leasing a vehicle, vehicle selection, test drive, trade-in, appraisal? If you had to purchase these vehicles, how likely would you be to complete all the steps? Oh, I'll definitely do it online instead of a dealership. It is easier and I get what I want. Oh my spilled some juice on here, so the space button not working. My bad, people. It is easier and I get what I want. There we go. I'm just gonna put that. See right there, put something longer. I'm just doing that because we're on the video. If we were shopping for a vehicle, ideally, would you test drive a vehicle before reaching a decision to purchase? No. I don't need to test drive. Sure. If I know what kind of car I want, why I need to test drive? Give me the car. Give me the keys. And leave me alone for like 2 weeks. And I'll let you know if it's good or not. Why would you not test drive a vehicle? Oh, I just said that. Give me keys and I will test it out. I don't like it. I send it back. My bad, people. Press for time right now. Suppose ideally you could complete test drive, and people just notice if I wasn't on this video, I would do this. I would have been done all these surveys already. All right, just trust me. I'll be done all these surveys already. Would you then be willing to complete all of the remaining vehicle acquisition steps online? Yes. I don't want to go to a dealership. Why do you keep asking me? I just told them. Why did you say that? I don't want to. I want to stay online. That's it. Compared to before coronavirus, would you say you are? Duh, of course you're less open to go to the car dealership. Duh. Less. Everything's less. Stay home, buy car, best option. Alright, people, let me cash this out real quick. Oh, alright, bet. Look, $1.11. That easy, that smooth. It would have been way faster if I was on the video. Alright, people, I'm gonna do this survey after. I just want to do this cash out right now for y'all. Alright, quick cash out, quick. All I do is click a button. It's gonna be in. Bang. Watch this. I will get Amazon, but y'all know me, people. PayPal, $29.92, and I still have a survey remaining. Alright, I just want to show you how it's gonna look when I cash this out. I might have to put some personal info. I don't cash it out. Alright, cracked the piggy bank, went to 0. Alright, went to exactly 0. So I'm gonna bang this survey out, and then I'm gonna have some money back in here because I have a survey. Alright, so it's free online money maker. PaidViewPoints, $29 cash out, people, and some change, 92 cents. It's gonna be more because I'm about to do this, but you know, I have to build it up to $15. Every $15 I'm cashing out now. Alright, somebody told me like, oh, how long it took you to get to 15? Watch this. Every $15 I'm cashing out every single time. Alright, free online money maker. It's free. Use my link in the description. You're gonna get a bonus to start. Alright, use my link in the description. You're gonna get a bonus. Your account's gonna run smoothly. Use this every single day. Or they're gonna email you and tell you when the survey. Never get disqualified surveys. Alright, get this money.